Hi, this is Katie from KT and the Squid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some king coal yarn that I recently got in a shipment. If you like all things yarn and crochet related, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I share product reviews related to crochet as well as crochet tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff. So for the last year, I have been a king coal ambassador, and we are starting a new cycle. So they sent me this giant box of yarn. So I thought it'd be fun to open it up and show you, maybe not all the yarns that are in here, but I'll show you some of them and maybe something fun that you'd like to check out. So king coal yarns, if you don't know, can be found at your local yarn shop. I will link to their stockist finder, so you just enter your zip code and I believe they email you a list of local yarn shops that are closest to you that carry king coal yarns. If you're like me and your closest yarn shop is maybe like an hour or so away, I like to check out lovecrafts.com, and I'll link to them, and I'll link to any of the yarns that are in here that I can find online. I've ordered from Lovecrafts a few times and it's always been a positive experience. I know you can also find a few of them from Wool Warehouse, and I'll leave a link to that site as well. I've never ordered from them, but I haven't heard anything bad about them, so I will be sure to link to them. I'm going to open this box, and I'm actually going to turn the camera around so that you can see the yarns a little bit better. So first up, I have Subtle Drifter Super Soft Double Knit. This is 25% cotton, 6% wool, and 69% premium acrylic. It's 100 grams per skein and 238 yards. So I am actually using this yarn to make a top right now, and it's really soft, and I like that there is a slight texture to the yarn, as you can see, and it's not completely solid of a color. It has some variation in the color, and I really like this soft purple. It is called, what is it called? It's called Lilac. So keep an eye out for a top that I'm making in this. It's crocheting up really nicely. So next I have this Cotton Socks 4-ply, and I actually was eyeing this on their shade book, so I'm really glad that they sent this to me. So it looks like we have a gray and kind of a purpley blue here and a pink. So this yarn is 58% cotton, 38% polyamide, and 4% PBT, which I'm not sure what that is. 100 grams, the skein's 100 grams with 399 yards, and it's a 4-ply, and I can feel it has a nice little stretch, and it's really tightly, it has a tight ply to it, so I'm assuming it'll be great for socks. It's called Cotton Socks, and it would be nice, make a nice stretchy fabric. So let's see, this color is silver. It's a nice silvery gray, and then this one is cobalt. It's a blue with a slight kind of purple look to it, like a purple tint to it. And then this one is rose. So all three nice, really solid colors. So this yarn I actually ordered because I think I'm going to try and make a rug with it, and it is their Big Value Chunky. So this is 100 grams. It's 167 yards, and it is a chunky weight, 100% premium acrylic. I know that this was a really affordable yarn, so I'm thinking it'll make a really nice rug, and it has a nice texture to it. I'm really excited to see how it crochets up. It looks like it's just a 2-ply, so I think it'll make a really interesting texture. And this color is caramel, and it's not a completely solid color, which I always like with my yarns. It has subtle variations of this really light kind of tan brown color. So this yarn looks really fun. It is Safari Chunky and it has a lot of different colors. It has like some light blue, some coral, and black. I think this will work up really nicely. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm really excited. I want to try this out, maybe like a scarf or something. You see it has like these stripes. You can see why it's called Safari. So it is a chunky weight. It's 150 grams, so 311 yards. And it is 100% premium acrylic. This colorway is called Wilderness. So I'm actually really excited to work this up. I think I have 2 skeins of this, so I think it'll make a really nice scarf. So I saw this in the bag and I had to dig it out because I think this shade of blue is my favorite shade of blue. I don't know if the camera is quite picking it up, but it has almost like a aqua, almost green tint to it. So this is Wildwood Chunky 100% recycled wool, and it feels kind of, I hate to use the word scratchy, but it has like a kind of a rough texture to it. So I'm not sure I would use this for like garments or something, but like something, a rug or a bag or something, I think it would be really nice. So it is 100% recycled wool. It's 100 grams per skein and 207 yards. And this color is called Ice, which I really like this blue. I think it's really pretty. I think I'll have to find something to make with that. And then this is a nice kind of baby pink, which is called Petal. And then this one is just like a nice cream color, and it is Snow. And I can always appreciate a nice cream color. It doesn't have like a weird tint to it. I think it's a really good cream color. So this is another yarn that I was eyeing on their website, and it's called Summer 4-ply. And it is, these are 100 grams, 55% bamboo, 37% cotton, 8% BBT, and 492 yards per skein. I really, really like the texture of this yarn. As you can see, it's not only got different colors in it, it also has a nice tight, it is 2-ply. So I think it would be really nice in a lacy pattern, because 2-ply really opens up and it has a nice texture to it. So I'm excited to try this one, and this is what it looks like knit up. So I'm excited to crochet with it though. So this color is called Moonlight, and I really like this one. I'm thinking maybe what I can make with 1 skein, or if I want to order more to make something a little bit bigger. And then this one is a nice color. It's got blues and kind of like a light brown color and some grays to it, and that's what it looks like knit up. And this color is Crystal. So I'm excited to play with those. If only I had enough time to work up all of these. And then lastly, I saw this one and had to dig it out of the bag. This is Cotton Top DK, and I just really like the color. I'm not sure if it's coming across on the camera, but it is a gray, but it has some slight variation to it, and it's not a completely, the yarn has some texture to it, so I'm hoping you can see that. So I'm excited to see how this one works up. And this is 100 grams, 78% premium acrylic and 22% cotton, and 284 yards. So I am actually going to make something with this in a video very soon. I'm going to show you how to improvise a hat. I've been wanting to make a YouTube video showing how to do that. So I think this is the yarn that I'm going to use. So keep an eye out for that. And again, if you want to find king coal yarns, I will link to a stockist finder, as well as a couple places online that you can find it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will share more of these yarns very soon. Bye.